Yeah, we need to take this off of the heat because it's boiling. Alright, let's take this off of the heat. Turn off the cooker. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Rico. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're going to do. We're going to deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. It's a bit of a baking soda. It's not salt, baking soda. Then apple cider vinegar. Alright, we have to wash the ingredients them first. Yeah. Yeah. Right, we have to wash them off first, like this. 1 large cups of water, okay? Yeah. Put on some heat. I'm doing it different tonight, not like the other rest of the night then. Jelly's in the building. Put the lemon peel into the water, like this. Alright, this is where the power is, right here, so okay, a lot of people don't know, but that's where the power is. Yeah, all of the power is right there, okay, right inside of that lemon peel and lime peel. So once you can get it right, the right way, you will see the amazing work. Yeah. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to, because a lot of people don't know that even the ginger right here is amazing. So what we're gonna do, grate a nice little piece of a ginger inside of it like this. All right. Yeah, man. Now, you can see it for yourself. All right? That what I'm talking about. Come on, guys. Okay, you see, this is very good, and they also promote weight loss also. So we're gonna put a few grain inside of it, few grains. All right, yeah, man. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the green apple. Alright. Yeah. We got the green apple right here. Okay, we got some green apple. And we're going to put the green apple, one medium-sized green apple, into the water. See that? Now, the best part of this show, alright, is the last bit right here. Okay? Yeah, man, look at that. So what you can do, you make a large portion of this, and you can also put some in the fridge and go and drink it during the day. Also, you can make it from tonight and just leave some on the cooker and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Alright? Yes, you can put some pineapple peel in this too, because pineapple do help work. You understand? Be cool, big up yourself. Yeah, you can put some pineapple peel, you know. But one of my secrets where I like to use, where it is this one. You know what I mean? It's this one. You know what I mean? I like to use this. Yeah. So right here we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. That's my favorite. I like to use this because cinnamon regenerate the immune system. You understand? Cinnamon is good, but you don't have to put cinnamon inside of it because a lot of people are allergic to cinnamon. But cinnamon is one of the next one. How long do you cook it for? Now, you can cook, if you're using boiling water, you will take probably about 5 to 6 seconds or 8 seconds. But I'm using the cold water, so it's gonna take about 10 minutes, everything, to infuse everything inside of it. But as you guys can see, this is another normal recipe, this guys. It's just one of those kind of recipe where you want to make at home. If you want to lose weight, if you are planning for your wedding, or if you're planning for a vacation. Alright, someone needs to see my ingredients right here, alright? So let's talk about the ingredients and once again. 1 medium-sized green apple, right there. Couple cloves, that's what I'm using, alright? Now we got 1 lime and 1 lemon, alright? Squeeze out the juice. We got ginger and we got cinnamon powder inside of it, right here. So you need to watch the video to see the finished product and what Chef Rico are going to do. Alright, this is how it look right there. So 1 lime and 1 lemon. Alright, very powerful, guys. Very powerful, very effective. Yeah. And we got the juice what we're gonna use. Ah, smell that one. Smell amazing. Alright. Now, what we're going to do, alright guys, is this. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys can do it. You can pour it out like this. You know, Yeah, like this, guys. See that? Look at that. Now you can make a large portion of it and put it into your fridge and drink it during the day, especially if you are work from in the office at your workplace, or if you are work from home. Alright, so that's why I'm doing it this kind of way. And you need to do it with the skin of the lemon, because the skin of the lemon that's where the power is. It's not in the juice, it's in the skin. Alright, but the juice is also good. Yeah, you see this now? You don't have to reuse this, you can throw away this. Alright, you might have said, where should I do with this Chef Rico? You can throw it away. If you want to put some more water upon it and soak it overnight, it's up to you, but I'm just gonna throw away this. I don't need this. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna pour back this over here. Alright, I like to use a pot. Look how the pot does work good for me. Alright, so if me was say, alright, I'm going to work tomorrow, this is what I would have do. So I make a portion of it, cool it down, leave it right here so till in the morning, and then you want to just drink this during the day. Alright, so what you want to do, pour it out into the cup like this. Alright, that's what you want to do. Alright, and then what you want to do, I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing at the moment. This is my favorite, you know, guys. Put a little bit more right here, so Chef Rico, I don't know it already. Alright, so this now, my advice, I wouldn't put any honey or anything inside of it. I would drink it naturally. Then what you want to do, get the lemon juice and pour it in it, and pour it in like this. Alright, and then you want to drink that. Alright, you want to drink one in the morning, one in the evening, first thing on an empty stomach in the morning. This goes really well down for you guys. Honestly, it is an amazing recipe, which I would encourage you to give it a try, especially cinnamon powder, or you can use cinnamon stick. They are very effective. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful things you could ever use in your whole entire life. So my advice, go to your supermarket, grab yourself some cinnamon powder or cinnamon stick and use it, guys. You don't have to want to lose weight to do this one. Alright, a good vibes. So
sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Rico's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.